Hi, so today's video I will be doing a Pandora review. So this one I bought I purchased this Pandora bracelet like a month ago. So this is a new collection which is a slight here's the box. So this is how it looks like. So this one is on a silver one. So if you if you look closely to the lock of this one, so you'll see the actual name of the Pandora. So there, and also on this adjustable you also see the name of Pandora for this one. So here's and then at the very bottom there are two dangles. So it has a stone which is the cubic zirconia. So these are the stone. So once again, the authentication, the brand itself, and then at the lock. So it came with one size. So once again, this bracelet came only it came with one size. So you can slide this one at the very bottom. So this is how it looks like. So you can put this like this, and then you just have to adjust. Now regarding with this bracelet, I highly suggested not to put much charm on it because this bracelet is very delicate. The charm, the maximum charm that I could suggest for this one is maximum of 5. So this is how it looks like. So be careful when you're going to adjust the slide because once again, this chain is very sensitive and very delicate, so you want to make sure that you're not gonna break this. Now for you to be able to once again to remove the actual lock itself, so you just have to press this. So pipindutin mo lang siya and then makita mo aangat. So there. And then once umangat siya, you can go ahead and remove the other one. So this is how you're going to put, you know, like charms, your clippers and everything. So same thing, pagkakabit mo siya, you just have to, if you're going to put it back, you just have to press this one. And then make sure it is locked in. So there. So that's how again, this is for the Pandora sliding bracelet. So now I'm partnering with my mesh bracelet. So this mesh bracelet, I bought it online, and this is a mesh Pandora. So this one is a bangle which wear every day. So I got this one for free when I purchased the ring, the flipping heart, together with this charm with a oxidized royal design. So if you'll see, it's an oxidized silver, and again I named my collection as Royalty Collection. So I do love the bangle and actual design of this charm. It's kind of unique. So I got this for free when I purchased the new ring. So this is how it looks like. So with the flipping heart ring, this one also is a silver, and it has a stone called the cubic zirconia. Alright, next to the collection, which is called a flipping heart ring. This one is a silver, and it has a stone like what I mentioned, cubic zirconia. I do love the actual detail of this ring. So you see at the and it has a Pandora signature, which is the authentication, and then the other side you'll see a tiny hole, and it has a heart shape of that hole. And this one is very classy, very fashionable. Now if we're going to do flip this, you could flip the other way around, so you can wear like this. So if you feel like wearing this stone side by side, you can go ahead and use like this. Now if you're going to feel like wearing two stone on the end, you can flip again. So this time you have now the tiny hole with the heart shape, and then at the bottom is the signature name of Pandora, and then on top you see the cubic zirconia stone with the flipping heart. So yeah, and this is how it looks like. I really do love the actual details again, and I recommend you guys to purchase if you do love the Pandora ring, because this one is a seasonal collection, so it might out of stock soon. So again, you can wear this every day for like any occasions, and it's really so cute. So at the inside of the ring you will see the actual authentication of the Pandora. I'll show you how it looks like. So if you're going to use again the other way around, so with the heart or a multiple heart, and then the stone one, so here's how it looks like. And then the Pandora is at the bottom. Now if you feel like changing the style, you just have to again flip it on the other way around. So here you have the Pandora. You feel like wearing this way, so there you go, the Pandora signature, and then the stone. So there you go. So together with my Tiara ring, so this is the ring that I already reviewed previously. So next collection is the Pandora Tiara ring. So this one is a rose gold collection, and I haven't cleaned this one yet from the day that I purchased this ring. It still looks good and still looks pretty. Now the authentication of this one is inside as well. So I partner with another this is a gold ring. So it has a Pandora signature as well. And then the detail, you see the, you know, those tiny hole, which is a heart shape. Okay, so the last collection for my ring collection is the Shine collection, which is the gold one. So if you see, you actually see the detail of the ring. So the tiny hole, like what I mentioned, you'll see the heart shape, and then side by side you will see the Pandora signature authentication. So there you go. So this is just a quick review about my Pandora jewelry collection. Hope you like it. If you already have one, let me know how you like, you know, wearing your Pandora jewelry. So once again, thank you so much for watching, and hope you enjoyed this short video. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, feel free to subscribe. Just click the subscribe button, and then if you want to be notified, get an update, just click the bell or the notification icon. So thank you once again. This is Jeffy, and hope to see you on my next video. Bye.